pronounce it clearly for you. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. As you see, second and fourth and sixth and eighth is Y sound added vowel. So there are six kinds of pronunciation, and when it is combined with the but the vowels are not used separately, so as you see, the pronunciation value is written like this, starting with soundless 이응, 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. And next, when 기역 replaces 이응, 가, 갸, 거, 겨, 고, 교, 구, 규, 그, 기. And next for double 기역, 까, 꺄, 꺼, 껴, 꼬, 교, 꾸, 규, 끄, 끼. For 니은, 나, 냐, 너, 녀, 노, 뇨, 누, 뉴, 느, 니. For 디귿, 다, 갸, 더, 뎌, 도, 듀, 두, 듀, 드, 디. For double 디귿, 따, 떼, 떠, 떼, 또, 뀨, 뚜, 듀, 뜨, 띠. For real, 라, 랴, 러, 려, 로, 료, 루, 류, 르, 리. I read them for you to know the values of the vowel letters. We'll keep on studying Korean consonants and their pronunciation values. First, I made groups of consonants according to pronunciation similarity and relativeness. There are officially 14 consonant letters. Letters in brackets are just derived double consonants. Each group of letters are pronounced at the same tongue position. 기역, 쌍기역, 키읔. First, in this group, it's not that important whether it is voiced sound or voiceless sound. What matters most is the strength of pronunciation. 그, 끄, 크. When combined with vowel 아, 가, 까, 카, 가, 까, 카. There is no way you can distinguish whether 가 is pronounced as voiced or voiceless. We distinguish them by the strength of the sound. But 키읔, the last letter 키읔, is almost similar to K in English. So it's pronounced as voiceless. And next, 니은, 나. 니은 is almost the same as N. The pronunciation is exactly the same as N in English. Next, D, T. The name of the letters are 디귿, 쌍디귿, 티귿. When combined with a vowel, 다, 따, 타, 다, 따, 타. Next, 리을. The name of the characters is similar, which looks similar to number 2, is pronounced R, like R sound, but when it is in the ending position, it is sound like L, clear L, not dark L in English. So you pronounce the letter combined with a sound, a vowel, it is read like ra, 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 not la, 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 la. But sometimes by the influence of foreign languages, it's okay to pronounce it la, 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 la. And next, 미음, the square letter, is pronounced exactly as M in English. Ma, ma, ma. Next, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 피읍. It's a labial sound. So when combined with a vowel, 바, 빠, 파, 파, 빠, 파. Next, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 사, 싸, 사, 싸. Sometimes 시옷 alone is expressed as single S or SH sound. When it is combined with E vowel, then the pronunciation is like 시, 시, 샤, 셔, 쇼. But it is combined with 아, 어, 사, 서, 소. So it has two ways of pronunciation. And the next 이응 is just a soundless initial 이응. When it is positioned, initial position of the character is soundless, just soundless. So a is the name of the vowel letter, and its pronunciation is just vowel sound. And next, 즈, 쯔, 츠. The name of the letters are 지읒, 쌍지읒, 치읒, 지읒, 쌍지읒, 치읒. So, when combined by a vowel, 자, 짜, 차, 자, 짜, 차. There's only one left. The shape of the letter is a human head with a hat, and its pronunciation is h, h, almost exactly like H sound in English. So, when combined with a vowel, ha, 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 it's a laughter sound. So, it ends learning basic 10 vowels and basic 14 consonants. I say it's basic because there are complex vowels and double ending consonants left. But even if you don't know exactly the complex vowels or double ending consonants, you can read fairly many Korean letters. So I'd like to assure that you have learned fairly a lot, and I promise I'll keep on uploading videos, even if it's not fancily edited video. It's only for lecture for now, so it's very humble maybe, but if you think it's worth watching, please support me by subscribing and leaving a comment and hitting likes. Thank you very much.